Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today I wanted to do a look that I saw Robert Welsh on his video. He was just doing a normal video and he used similar colors to these, and I was like, I fell in love with those colors together. So I tried to look in my collection to see if I had similar colors so I could recreate it, and I did. They're not exactly the same shades, but it's similar. And so if you want to see how I did this look, keep on watching. Hi, so I'm getting ready to run some errands with my mom, and I decided to record and just have a little chat with you. So first I'm going to prime with the Milani Prime Shield. This is supposed to be a mattifying primer. I think I've used this a couple of times, but it doesn't really do anything for me. So I don't know, I have it there, I got to keep using it, but I don't really see a difference in my oily skin. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus, and I'm going to be using shades Soft Beige and Shell Ivory. I gotta see if I find another shampoo that I really like for damaged hair, because I'm using Olaplex and it's not working for me. I know a lot of people love Olaplex and it works for them, but it doesn't work for me at all. It gives me dandruff every single time that I use it. And I know it's a shampoo because I've stopped using it to see if my dandruff goes away, and it does. And then when I start using it again, my dandruff comes back. And I told my husband to try it, and the same thing happened to him. And I don't notice nothing different about my hair when I use it. You know how some people rave that it leaves their hair stronger, softer, shinier, healthier? None of that. I don't see none of that when I use it. Just a lot of dandruff. So you can still see some flakes. I need another shampoo. So if you know any good shampoos similar to Olaplex and it's good, please let me know, because I need to switch. And it's a shame because I really wanted it to work. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me in shade Ivory. And this is what happened to my nail. I did this set recently because I was trying out the jelly tips, and I did a review on it. I'll link the video down below in case you're interested. And this hand is fine, but then when I did this hand, the next day it cracked like this right in the middle and it separated, so I had to cut it. So now I'm walking around with just one broken nail. For powder, I'm going to be using the Beauty Bakery Flower Powder in shade Oat Translucent. I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be right back. So for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Nomad by Juvia's, and I'm going to be focusing on these colors right here in the center. And I'll probably use another one for a black, but I'm not sure yet. I'm going to start with this shade first. I'm going to focus this on the inner part of my crease and above. So have you started your Christmas shopping yet? Or holidays? I sort of started, but I really haven't found anything to give to somebody. You know, the stuff that I have in mind, I haven't found it. And it's too late now to buy something online because it will get here after Christmas. So I'm not even gonna try to do that online. Now I'm gonna take this one, same brush. It's funny how it evolved, how we got to this point, because Christmas was supposed to be about baby Jesus and how everybody went to him to give him gifts, but yet here we are giving each other gifts. What? How did we get to that point? I've heard stories about it, but I don't know exactly how, if it's accurate or not. If anybody knows, please let me know, because I don't know how we got to this point. Now with a smaller brush, I'm gonna take this shade. I'm just gonna deepen the outer corner with this color. So did you take advantage of the Black Friday sale, either in store or online? I'm curious to know. I did purchase some stuff online because I don't like going in stores. Did I say this already in another video? I want to repeat myself. I think I did, but anyway, I'll be doing a video soon once I get everything, because everything's coming differently. I already got one thing, but I still need like 4 things to arrive, and then I could do a full face of the stuff that I found a lot of goodies really cheap online for that week, and they started the Black Friday sale the whole week, so I didn't have to wait until Friday. I think I started doing that shopping like Monday or Tuesday. I know you did not push the door to come in here. That's the problem with having a smart dog. They just do whatever they want to do, whenever they want to do it. And there he is. See, he always does that. He always sits by my feet, and then now I have to be getting up to pause the video and then hit record, and every single time I have to get up and do that, and I don't want to step on him. He's right there. I'm gonna use glitter primer for the next shade by NYX, because I want to use this one right here, and then I think I'm gonna use this one. And I have hooded eyes, so I have to go above my crease. Ooh, that is nice. Now I'm gonna use the middle shade. Honestly, I saw similar shades like this being worn by Robert Welsh. I'm pretty sure you know who he is. And I love the color combination that I was like, I think I have a palette similar with those colors. So that's where I got the idea for these shades. He's an amazing makeup artist. Watch all his videos. And the ones he does with his twin brother. Super funny. Now I'm just gonna tap here so there's no harsh lines. I take that orange shade and put it on the lower lash line. I'm gonna take some black from another palette. Put that really close to the lower lash line. I'm gonna take the e.l.f. highlighter. This is called White Gold, and I'm gonna use this to highlight my brow bone. And in the inner corner. My mom actually told me about this eyeliner from Bettina, and you know what? It's really, really good. I've never tried Bettina's eyeliners before, and this black stays on all day and it's super black. This is my new favorite black eyeliner. It used to be the NYX black eyeliner, but now this was like my favorite. I love this. I have to try all the other ones they have because they have different colors, and I don't know if they work the same as the black one, but I'm gonna have to try them. I use the Lash Sensational by Maybelline. Love this. And I use the lashes from Salon Perfect in style 614, and I cut them to make outer corner lashes. Now I'm gonna use the NYX sculpting palette to bronze my cheeks a little bit. Let me tell you, this lasts a long time. I still haven't hit pan. I'm about to, but I still haven't, and this is my go-to. I use it all the time. Gotta shrink that forehead. A little bit of blush by Jordana. And I'm going to use that e.l.f. highlighter that I used before as a highlight. For lips, I'm going to be using the CoverGirl Outlast in the shade Very Sincere. So they spell it differently though. Gonna let that dry, and I'm gonna top it off with a lip gloss. For lip gloss, I'm gonna be using the Lunar Beauty in shade Aura. I love this one so much. It's my favorite. So this is the final look. What do you guys think? I love it. I love the way it turned out. It's not exactly the shades that he had on, but it's very similar. And I like it. I love that palette a lot. It's so pretty, the colors, and easy to work with. So I'm ready to head out the door because I'm already late, like always. So if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up if you can. That helps me out a lot. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys. But I can't think straight. And the microphone is all the way over there. This is what happens when you have to be constantly getting up to do something. Ugh. And now I have to get up again because my lip gloss is over there. See if I found. I'm first gonna start with and it closed. So have you started? Here we go. Oh. Why do I do that? Why do I always forget that? How many times do I have to get up and sit down, get up and sit down, get up and sit down? How many times? How many times? Why am I recording this? I'm not supposed to record this. Oh, dandruff. I haven't even eaten. Dandruff.